My content creation journey has been a very serious and a very long one. When I wanted to start content, the reason why I didn't start content early was because I was thinking about good audio. Over time, my major problem has always been, is my audio okay? Then I remember that I was also an audio engineer that fixes sound, that mixes song for people. So I got my first mic and I started working on audio, and my audio came out well. But still, that has not been a reason why I stopped buying microphone. If you know, you know. I have a lot of microphone. Like I have microphones, I have XN7B, I have Rode mic, I have what is this other mic again? I've forgotten the name. So I have a lot of microphone. But when it comes to wireless microphone, I have used a few. Now, this is one of the first wireless microphone I bought. You must know this particular brand, which is the DJI. But the problem with this brand is that I don't have an iPhone that uses Type-C. So for that reason, I only use this one for my camera. Then I bought this one. This particular one, I have been using it for my phone. This one can work for my phone and it can work for my camera. But the main reason why I don't use this one for my camera is because I have this one and the audio is way better than this one. So recently, don't ask me because I know about the bigger ones, but I like something very small, something that you won't notice. Like you see this one that is hanging here, you hardly notice it. This one even has a lighter microphone that doesn't drag down your shirt. But recently, DJI decided to do another magic. So they brought this. They created another monster. Let me reduce the brightness of my camera first so you can see it very well. They created another monster, which is this particular microphone. Now, this microphone is the Mini 2 of this one. It doesn't mean it's way more better than this, but it has a lot of camouflage inside. Camouflage is what you call it. So let me just open the box. Let's see what is inside. So you'll be the first to see what is inside. So apart from this waterproof bag, everything you see inside is just manual. I don't know if there are people out there that read manual. If you do reading, please let me know. So normally when it comes to packaging, DJI delivers. When I even bought my ROS5 is the thing. So I have two of this bag now because this same bag came with the previous mic mini that I bought. So this is the mic mini 2. So we'll open it and we'll bring out this case. I think this is the case that makes the whole difference. So let's put it aside first. Then we have our cord for the microphone, then empty bag. So the next thing we do is we open the bag. We don't open things with care around here. We just open them because we don't have any plan to return them. So now, wait, I'm noticing something. Okay, the two cases. One is bigger than one. The new one is bigger than the other one. I think one problem a lot of us have is how to put the windshield and also the power. Is it what do you call that cable? I've forgotten. The one that you connect from your camera to the mic. How to wrap it inside. So basically this one you have to wrap it around here. You have to wrap it around here. We no get that strength to learn how to wrap. So the next thing we want to do is 3, 2, 1. We peel. Now we have peeled. We open it so you see first. So you be the first to see it. This is it, unlike the black one that is here. This is black, this is white. This is white. But before I go further with everything in the box, let's take this off. This is it. You can actually take the magnet off. This is the part where you clip to your shirt. And this one is even way bigger than this one. It's way bigger than what you have here. Let me see. So I pray my camera shows you. It's bigger. This one takes more space. This one, I think a lot of persons do not use it because when you use them, it might just fall off. Let me put my microphone back. Then you can clip it back. And I think the clip is a little bit stronger. But the microphone itself, I think is around same weight. And this microphone it's also a little bit bigger. So let me show you where the magic is. The magic is in this box. This is the magic. So let me open it so you see what's inside. Right here, you have different colors. Now you have to pick a particular color matching what you're wearing. Right now, if I put this on my shirt, it's going to match what I'm putting on already. It matches. But if I'm wearing maybe a pink, you have to remove this and put on the color you want to use, which is this. So you have different colors. We have the lineup of colors like that. So this is just a unique way of showing you that you can wear a microphone to match your dress, and a lot of persons are using this because they just want to make their videos without the microphone showing in their body, so they came up with this. So even the box itself is a little bit shiny. It's a little bit shiny, and it's even more deep. It's even deeper right now, and I think they removed that. They removed this thing. There is something here that they removed this thing. They removed it and made this one flat. So you just wrap your jack there, and you still have Type-C here. I heard you can buy the one for the mouth for iPhone, but for now you don't have the one for iPhone. This is the one that comes with it. So that is basically everything in the box.